But for me, it's my own opinion, Mr. President. I wanted to start from the beginning. It's good, but this is a question. Who are the branches here of Guardians that is regularly finding your general information? Who is the branch here? It is started for you. It is regularly, yearly finding your financial statement. Do you have your receipts? Do you have your business permit? To accept the payments for these items customers? 10% is the loss. Your bill is good. I will let you see. But I think I have this act from this going. It's very hard accepting access, but the government requirements cannot be accomplished by the rest. Very easy. Let me sit down. The UGB Public Surveillance will file a petition and secure the state's commission that please do not accept any application with the word of Guardians because the UGB is unless they have a certification from the UGB that they are part of the Guardian to do the acceptance and security commission. Para hindi maging 3 piso ang meron. Nagalit lang sa Sherman, umalis lang kayo, sampulang sila, lahat UGMF ang rap. Puputuloy po natin lahat. Lahat ako. Your bill is very good, so we have to explore and deeper so that the brotherhood will understand kung ano ang kakulangan po natin. Every year na tawanan ko, CNS,